Welcome to this video where I'm going to teach you how to design a personalized vision board that actually works. We will start first with the intentions because in order to design a vision board, we need first to have some goals, some intentions, some manifestations, some desires set in place. So I'm going to share my screen in a moment. Okay, so in case you haven't set your intention yet, I'm going to add in the description of this video training, a half an hour training where I go in detail with every step that you need to make in order to set intentions that actually are sustainable and that actually works. And to summarize the video, first, what you need to do is that you need to set up intentions for any area of your life. So if you want to go and do that and set up intentions, you can check the video in the description and then you can come back to this video. But to summarize it, basically, in order to set up intentions that actually are attainable, you need to be very specific, very clear in what you try to manifest in your life. Because, without intention, we lack focus, we lack direction. So, setting up an intention, a goal, a desire actually helps us to manifest them faster because we become more focus oriented and we channel our whole resources to start to materialize those things in our reality. So within the training to set up your desires, you need first to set up goals or intentions for each area of your life. So as you can see here, I set up intentions for business and career, finances, health, family and friends, relationship, personal growth, fun and recreation, and physical environment. All these areas are really important for us together to feel whole, to feel integrated, because we may want to have more money, let's say, but if you are not happy, then it doesn't matter how much money we have in our bank account. So we need to set up clear intention for each area of our lives. So, take your journal or a paper and a pen and start writing for every area of your life what you want to attract. For me, in my business, I want to travel with my business this year, to lead retreats, to be more face to face with my clients because I'm currently having an online business. So I meet my clients on Zoom. And on finances, I want to, create multiple businesses this year. On health, I want to be more consistent with my gym program. Family and friends, I want to attract a new soul tribe community. And I want to take my parents into an all-inclusive trip. In my relationship, I want to have more fun together. In my personal growth, I want to read more this year. For fun and recreation, I want to go again to dance and take some dance classes. And for my physical environment, I would love this year to buy a house with a huge garden. So this is like the themes for me for 2023. You can do the same for your goals. So this is the first step. The second step that we are going to take together in order to create a vision board that actually works is to actually creating the vision board. And you can do that multiple, in multiple ways. If you know Photoshop and Illustrator, you can design your own vision board, or you can just, create an album on your phone with different photos that you can find as an inspiration, or different photos of yourself from different times of your life. For example, I had a client that wanted a vision board, and I created the vision board in the first vision board I created for her was like I took photos from, from different, like from Unsplash or Pexels. These are some great sites that you can download, like free inspirational photos. And I added them in the vision board, and she didn't resonate it with them. She wanted to see herself. So for example, for the goal to lose weight, she gave me an older photo with her from when she was younger and she looked thinner. so she can motivate herself to look like that again. So it depends on your own style of manifesting things. For me, it really works, for example, videos, music. So the more active our senses are in connecting to our vision board, to the future version of ourselves that we want to materialize in our reality, the faster we will attract our manifestations. So the simplest way that you can create a vision board is on Pinterest. And if you don't have a Pinterest account, it's really easy to create one. You can check up a video on YouTube to do that. I'm going to show you today only how to create like a vision board on Pinterest. So if you don't have an account, you can go and create one easily, and then you can come back to this video again. So from your page on Pinterest, you have this plus sign here, and you just click on board and you can create your own vision board. So the name, you can choose your own name. My ideal self 2023, my dream life, future manifestations coming true, or I just keep it for each year in a simple way, vision board 2023. Okay, and once you create it, you can start looking for photos to have on your vision board. As you can see, you already have some ideas here with traveling and a vision board and friends taking a dinner together. So I think that I will choose some of them because they are uh, connected to my goal. So I feel that this is something that I love connecting with it. It's like the sunset haze with a couple being connected to each other, and it's really it's really exactly what I'm trying to manifest um with my vision board. So as you can see here, you can choose where you want to add these photos. So I'm going to choose vision board 2023. Okay. Oh, I love this photo so much because one of my goals in my finances is to buy a convertible car. So I feel this is perfectly for my vision board. And the easiest way to do that is just, you can separate your windows, like half of the screen your vision board and half of the screen um, the your intention list, and you can watch both of them at the same time, or you can just switch tabs from one to another and take it in order. So start with business and career, and then let's say travel with my business and lead retreats. Okay, so I will start finding start searching for retreats. This looks nice. My posts appear on the first place, on the first page. Nice. I love this photo as well. I love this photo so much. Yeah. So just tune into these photos and see how they make you feel in your body. Do you feel excited? Do you feel like they inspire you? Do you see yourself as the women in the photo? I see myself running on a field with women like in my future retreat. So I will totally choose this photo as well. And start taking them, each by each. And you can also, look for videos that have also a song. You can, I think you can find on Pinterest videos as well. So the more you involve all your senses in creating your vision board and then connecting with it, because this is the second step of creating the actual vision board. And the third step is connecting with the vision board every day. So basically, what you'll need to do is when you wake up or when you go to sleep, when your subconscious mind is in the most susceptible state, which is the theta state, which is the state that you learn the easiest and the fastest. And in this state, I invite you to connect with your vision board every day. And how I used to do in 2022, like I would look on my vision board and then I will connect each day with a new photo. Like, for example, today I was connecting with this photo and I was starting my day looking at this photo, seeing myself here, drinking my coffee in Bali, like smelling the scents of flower, enjoying the warm weather on my skin, seeing the sun, enjoying life, feeling happy for traveling. And I would immerse myself in this experience as I was there. And I had multiple years of setting intentions and creating vision boards. And from all the experiments I did and all the things I tried, fully immersing with all your senses in creating vision boards and actually feeling that you are there, closing your eyes and imagining that you hear the sounds of the birds and you feel the water on your skin and you see maybe you're with your partner or with your future partner and how you feel, what you think in that moment, what energy do you have in your body. All these things helped you and helped me manifest the fastest the reality that I desire to create. So this is the third step, coming back to your vision board each day when you wake up, when you go to bed, connecting with it and visualizing yourself as you already fulfilled all the intentions. Another thing you can do is meditating and imagining yourself at the end of 2023 with all the goals from your New Year's resolutions list already fulfilled and see how you feel, how you think, what you think, and how is your life change after you choosing every day to connect with this purpose, with all these intentions and manifesting them in your reality. If you don't know how to create a vision board, or you don't want how to create a vision board, or you would like to really have one that's personalized and it doesn't look like a board on Pinterest, then because as you can see, like it's nice, but maybe some photos you would love them to be more personal and to feel more like you, and you also connect with a different version of yourself, or you would like to add sound or to make a video out of your vision board that you can watch every day, then I can support you deeper in this process. I have a gig on Fiverr that I helped previous clients on designing a personalized vision board that actually works. I designed the vision board in Photoshop and in Illustrator, and I create personalized affirmations for you. And also, I design like a hypnosis based on the vision board we create together, so you can rewire your subconscious mind and fully, see yourself already in that reality. Because usually what happens is that when we try to manifest something in our reality, then we have like a conflict on our inside world. It's like something, it's opposing that desire. Let's say that we want to make money, but then what you do instead is procrastinate, not do the steps that will actually bring you money. And that's because subconsciously you have a different story than the conscious story that says, I will be wealthy this year. But your subconscious story, maybe it's around scarcity or seeing in your family of origin that your parents struggled with money. So you will try to recreate the same reality. So that's the reason why vision boards and setting intentions sometimes it doesn't work, is because we have a conflictual side part in ourselves that says has different story. And by working with the subconscious mind, with the place where the root causes of our struggles lives, then we can find the root cause of these stories and rewire them and create a new supporting belief and a new supporting reality in order for us to achieve our dreams. So, as you can know, I'm also a hypnotherapist for 3 years, but I'm also an art director with 8 years experience working with international clients. So that's why I love combining these two works, art direction and also coaching, hypnotherapy, to help my clients, succeed in their personal life, in their business, and also to help their subconscious mind, um, um, be open to new changes to create the life they desire. So I'm going to leave the link in the description to this gig as well. You can choose, you have three packages to choose from. You can choose only to have a personalized vision board, or you can have like also affirmations, custom affirmations I create for you, or you can also have a unique manifestation meditation or hypnosis based on your goals to help you manifest your desire faster. So I'm going to leave the description, the link in the description of this video as well. Hope this video helped you to manifest the life you desire by setting intentions that actually work and by creating a vision board that you'll be excited to use every day. Thank you for watching me today, and I cannot wait to continue this journey together with you by creating a vision board that actually works.